Some of the smartest students you know still get average or low grades, not because they don't understand, not because they don't try, but because they're playing the wrong game. And the system they're using doesn't reward intelligence, it rewards something else. And once you see it, everything about studying changes. Step 1. Understanding is not the goal. Smart students rely on understanding. They read something once and it makes sense. They follow the logic. They connect the ideas and they think, I get this. But exams don't test understanding. They test retrieval under pressure. And those are not the same thing, because you can understand something deeply and still fail to recall it when it matters. Step 2. The comfort trap. Smart students fall into a hidden trap. They do what feels natural. Reading, watching explanations, thinking through concepts, and because they understand quickly, they stay in that zone. But that zone is comfortable, and comfort does not build performance, because the brain only strengthens what it struggles to retrieve, not what it passively understands. So while others practice recall, they stay in input mode, and that's where the gap begins. Step 3. The performance gap. Here's what actually happens. During studying, smart students perform well, but during exams, everything changes, because now time is limited, pressure is high, recall must be instant. And if your brain isn't trained for that, it freezes, not because you don't know the answer, but because you never practiced pulling it out under pressure. Step 4. The system shift. You don't need more intelligence, you need a better system. Here's the fix. After learning anything, stop consuming and start retrieving. Ask yourself questions, explain the concept without notes, test yourself constantly. Because exams don't reward what you recognize, they reward what you can produce. Step 5. Simulate the exam. Most students study in a relaxed environment, then expect to perform under pressure. That doesn't work. So you train the condition itself. Set a timer, remove your notes, answer questions like it's a real test, because your brain adapts to the environment you train in. And if you train under pressure, you perform under pressure. Quick reality check right now. Think of something you understand well. Can you explain it clearly without looking at anything? If not, that's the gap between understanding and performance. Final truth, you are not underperforming because you're not smart enough. You're underperforming because your system is built for understanding, not execution. And exams reward execution. So once you train your brain to recall, under pressure, your grades finally match your ability.